Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have an album flip through for you. This is a chipboard mini album that I've been sharing on my channel for quite a few days now, and I decided I would show you the final product all together in one video here with a little bit of an explanation intertwined. But I'll have a link in the description down below to the playlist with all of the mini album process videos, as well as up here in the little iCards, so you can check it out there. So this is an album featuring some graduation photos from my graduation this past spring, so spring 2017. And so it's just documenting that sort of process. And it's a pretty short mini album. These are all the pages that came with it. I bought this at Michael's on clearance. It was $1.80 for 2 mini albums, and these are just plain chipboard mini albums. I believe the brand might have been Recollections. I don't have the packaging anymore. Since I got rid of it since I opened them both, but this is what it is, and we'll get started. So this is the title page. I didn't really want to name it anything super obvious, so I thought this would be cute and a little bit like grabby, so a catchy title. And you can find out the product details over on my blog and in the videos on my channel. So this whole album features a lot of papers from the Craftsmith Company Blue Blooms paper pad, which I picked up at Michael's. I've been a big fan of Michael's in December. They had a lot of great deals. But it features a lot of beautiful florals, navy, peach, oranges, really pretty. So the first layout here is just a photo of me before graduation started in my cap and gown. And then I made this little title page over here with a card from the same paper pad, and then some alphabet stickers. A lot of the embellishments in here are from Pink Fresh Studio, and some washi tapes from my stash, and resin flowers from my stash, and things like that. But I definitely use a variety of product. This next page is while I was kind of waiting to cross the stage. The cards are on the left of the ones that I'd give to the announcer, and then the two on the right are me waiting in line to be called across the stage. And as you can tell in this album, I've used a lot of dimension with these puffy stickers, acrylic pieces, resin flowers. What I really like about these chipboard albums, and this is like my second one ever, is that you can actually feel the texture. So if you have foil on paper, you can feel it. If you have puffy stickers, you can feel it. And then the same with the resin flowers and acrylic pieces. It's just a nice texture. Like even a doily, you don't ever feel those on traditional pages since they're in page protectors, but it's definitely a unique experience this way. These next two pages have a similar vibe. Both these papers are from the Craftsmith paper pad. This side leaves me some room for journaling, and this 3x4 card is from that paper pad as well. It's really nice that they have cut-aparts in the paper pads nowadays. I have some resin flowers, some puffy dots, word stickers. This title piece is from, I believe it's Jen Hadfield's Home Collection. And then a little diploma down here, a little bit of tacky graduation stuff. You always have to have that kind of stuff. And then another one over here. These are by K & Company. This is me after graduation. I didn't include any photos of me going across the stage because I figured I'd want to make a whole 12x12 album of that, possibly, hopefully. I have a ton more graduation photos to scrapbook since it was 3 graduations in one weekend. Definitely enough to scrapbook for a while. But this one's just me after graduation with the diploma and the free gift. And then here's me with my diploma. How nice. And then I layered 2 pieces of the pattern paper from that paper pad. So I cut out some more of the navy roses that are on the front and layered them across this other floral paper. Again, with the resin flowers, I can never have enough of those. And then I have a picture of my family and I after graduation. Just a simple one. Some more puffy stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. This one's actually from Target. I love searching the Target dollar spot for stickers. Definitely a great source of inspiration there. And this background paper is just some purple cardstock from my stash. I want to throw a little bit of purple in there. And then these pages are my boyfriend and I after graduation, and this sticker has the texture of a gown, and it's from K & Company. And some more embellishments. And then we have this one, which is all 3 of us after graduation. A little title here. I tried to keep it simple, but also leave some room for some journaling because I didn't want it to be too overwhelming for any other person. But this is also just for me to have and to look through later on. In the back, I have a picture of myself in my cap and gown, and then in front of my business building, and then a couple other pieces. I thought this would be a nice like flat background to keep it on. But that is my album. If you guys have any questions, again, there's a whole playlist of all the process videos for every single page on my channel. I hope you guys enjoy those. But let me know if you have any questions. I want to know if you guys do chipboard albums. I know it's not as popular as it used to be, but I also know mini albums are very popular when they're pocket page style. So I'm wondering if you do either or both or what you do. But this is my album. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!